Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. A rescue operation was in action to evacuate people stuck in some flooded villages in Shivpuri districts of Madhya Pradesh as heavy rains continued to lash large parts of the state, especially Shivpuri and neighboring Shivpur districts. Nearly 60 people who were stranded in the flooded buildings located near the Vijaypur bus stand in Shivpur district following heavy rains were rescued after over 7 hours by this noon. 4 helicopters have reached the Shivpuri district to evacuate people from the flooded villages, district collector said. The MAT department on the third consecutive day on the Monday issued red and orange alerts for 25 districts in Madhya Pradesh, forecasting heavy rain to extremely heavy rainfall. The red alert predicted very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall ranging between 115.6 to 204.5 millimeters or more, and thunder showers accompanied by lightning strikes at isolated places in 8 districts, namely Gwalior, Shivpuri, Guna, Ashoknagar, Datia, Shivpur, Morena and Bhind. The red alert effectively means the situation might worsen in rain-battered Shivpuri and Shivpur districts. Both the alerts are valid till Tuesday morning. The orange alert warning of high to very high rainfall, thunder showers and lightning strikes has been issued for the isolated places in 17 districts including Bhopal, Raisan, Raigad, Shehor, Vidisha, Ujjain, Devas, Ratlam, Sajpur, Agra, Malwa, Mandsaur and Neemuch, besides Chhattarpur, Tikamgarh, Sagar, Niwari and Hoshangabad. The MAT department has also forecasted rain or thunderstorms at most places in the districts falling under the 10 divisions including Bhopal, Indore and Jabalpur. Shivpuri and Shivpur received 117 millimeters or 11 centimeters and 115 millimeters or 11 centimeters rainfall respectively in last 24 hours ending 8:30 am on Monday, the Indian Meteorological Department said. Meanwhile, 7 people have died and nearly 2.5 lakhs have been displaced from their homes in 6 flood-hit districts of West Bengal, a senior state government official said on Monday. The Army and Air Force on Monday undertook rescue and relief operations in Hooghly district, where many areas have been submerged due to excess rainfall and overflowing of rivers. Around 2.5 lakh people have been rescued and moved to shelter homes as a large number of houses were damaged in 6 districts of the South Bengal, where water released from the Damodar Valley Corporation dams and heavy rain late last week have flooded streets and hamlets. Several areas in Purab Bardhaman, Paschim Bardhaman, Paschim Medinipur, Hooghly, Howrah and South 24 Parganas districts are reeling under the flood, with people struggling to wade through the waist-deep water. Water from Rupnarayan and Dwarkeshwar rivers have overtopped banks and entered residential areas, flooding homes in Hooghly district, the officials said. At least 1 lakh people have been moved to the safety in Hooghly district alone after their houses were damaged. There are several others who are still stranded on the roof of their homes or elevated structures. Just to remind you all, Nanoland has organized an international webinar on climate change, and the theme is It's Tomorrow, Frozen or Molten Earth. Distinguished speakers from across the world and from varied backgrounds would be speaking and discussing the above topic. Hurry up now, book your seats and get enlightened from the some of the astute personalities. Register or clicking on the link in the description box below. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.